Good morning, students. Welcome back online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NPGI AVM School Pitapuram now. Class 11, subject Political Science, Chapter 3, Election and Representation. Students, today I shall describe you about the topic features of election system in India, and after that functions of election commission. Functions of election commission. Students, in short, main features of election or electoral system in India are first feature of Indian electoral system is adult franchises. Second, direct election. Third, reservation of state for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Reservation of seats for scheduled tribes and scheduled caste, and secret voting. Fifth feature, secret voting. And sixth, single member constituencies. And seventh, election commission and election petitions. These are the features of the electoral system of India. Listen once again: adult franchises, direct election, reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, secret voting, single member constituencies, election commission and election petition. And now, students, functions of the election commissions. Students, listen carefully. India is the largest democracy in the world. You know very well. India is the largest democracy in the world. Students, so success of a democratic set up depends on free and fair election on scheduled time. Keeping this is view, the formers of Indian Constitution provided for an independent and imperial body responsible for conducting election in the country. According to Article 324 of the Constitution, there shall be an election commission who shall be responsible for the preparation of electoral rolls and the conduct of all elections to Parliament, state legislative assemblies, President and Vice President. Students, now I describe the functions, 6 functions of the electoral commissions. First function is composition of election commission. Composition of election commission. Second, function of election commission. Functions of election commissions. Composition of election commissions are not the function of the election commission. Composition of the election commission, I definite you about the composition of election commission. The election commission consists of chief election commissioner and such member of election commissioner as the president may fix from time to time. At present, it consists of one chief commissioner and two other members. Total 3 members are consist in the election commission. They are appointed by the President of India. The chief election commissioner presides over the commission but does not have any more powers than the other commissioners. They take decisions as a collective body. And generally they take decisions on consensus. That's all. In next video, I describe you about the functions of the election commission. That's all.